This is the smartest route to $10,000 a month in 2026. My name is Fred, and I've made up to $2,600 in profit in a single day with my online business selling digital products. Let me be completely honest with you right now. The reason you haven't hit $10,000 a month yet has nothing to do with how hard you're working. You might be working your ass off. You could be grinding every single day, waking up early, staying up late, sacrificing your weekends. And yet, the money just isn't there. And that's actually the problem. Because nobody ever stopped and asked you, are you working hard in the right direction? Nobody ever asked you that. They just told you to work more, longer hours, work harder. Or they told you work smart, but they didn't tell you how. Here's what's actually happening. You are trading time for money. And when you trade time for money, you always hit a ceiling, a hard one. Because we only have 24 hours a day. Even billionaires only have 24 hours a day. You go to your job, you do your freelance gig, you drive for Uber, whatever it is, and the second you stop working, the money stops coming in too. That's not a business. That's a trap with a paycheck attached to it. Think about it like this. Imagine you're carrying water from a river to a village in buckets. Every single day you wake up, walk to the river, fill your buckets, carry them back. You get paid for each bucket. That's a job. That's trading time for money. But the person making $10,000 a month, they built a pipe. They did the work once to build the pipe, and now the water flows without them. They get paid whether they show up or not. That's what you need to build. Not another bucket, a pipe. And here's what's crazy. Most people know this. They've heard it before. But they still go back to the buckets because the pipe feels less risky. It feels uncertain. It feels like it might not work. But let me ask you something. How certain is your current situation? How certain is a job that can lay you off tomorrow? The buckets aren't safe either. You just got tricked into thinking they were. So what does the pipe actually looks like in 2026? What is the actual vehicle that gives you leverage? I'm going to tell you exactly what it is. It's digital products. I'm going to show you why this is genuinely the most powerful business model available to a regular person with no funding, no connections, and no special advantages. A digital product is anything you create once and you sell unlimited time that isn't physical. For example, an ebook, a course, a template, a guide, a swipe file, a mentorship, coaching, a workshop recording, an audio track. You build it once, and then every single sale after that is pure profit with almost zero cost. There's no inventory to manage. You're not shipping boxes out of your garage at midnight. You're not dealing with suppliers or employees or leases. There's no overhead eating your margins. When someone buys your product, a file gets delivered to their inbox automatically while you sleep. That's it. And here's the thing about the ceiling. There isn't one. You can sell to one person, and you can sell to 1 million people for the exact same effort on your end. Nothing changes for you operationally. The business scales without you working more hours in it. That's what makes this different from everything else. With a service business, you add more clients, you make more money, but you also add more work, or then you have to manage this huge team of people. And it's also expensive. With a digital product business, you add more customers, you go to the beach, you go to the gym, you sleep in on a weekday. That's the fundamental difference, and it's massive. I know people, regular people, who built simple digital products, put them online, and now they make more in a month than they used to make in a year. Not because they're geniuses, not because they had a huge following. Most of them don't. Simply because they picked the right vehicle, and that is selling digital products. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now let's talk about the engine that drives traffic to it, because you could have the best product in the world, but I can guarantee that if no one knows about it, obviously you're not going to earn a single cent. So how do we get customers? Now you might be thinking, okay, digital products sound great, but how do people find out about my product? How do I get in front of people? And this is exactly where most people mess up. They think they need to run paid ads. They think they need to have 5,000 followers before they can make money. They think they need to hire a team or build some complicated funnels or spend thousands of dollars on marketing. None of that is true. The answer is YouTube. And YouTube is not just a regular social media platform like TikTok. It's a search engine. In fact, it's the second biggest search engine in the world, right behind Google, and Google also owns YouTube, which means people go to YouTube every single day, actively searching for answers to their problems. They type in exactly what they're struggling with, and if your video shows up with the answer, you become the expert, instantly. In their eyes, you are the authority on that subject, and when they trust you, they buy from you. That's the beauty of this model. YouTube does the selling for you. It's like having sales reps working for you 24/7. Each of your video is a sales rep. You're not cold messaging strangers who hang up on you. You're not running ads hoping it won't get more expensive. You're not posting on Instagram praying the algorithm shows your stuff to somebody. You create a video that answers a real question that people are searching for, and YouTube puts it in front of those exact people for free. And not just today. A video on your channel lives forever. A video made 2 years ago can still get you views, leads, and sales today. That's what I mean when I say this is a machine. It compounds, it builds on itself. No other social media platform has the same effect. That's the specialty of YouTube and long-form content. Now, you don't need a big following to start making money on YouTube. Let me be very clear about that. If I remember correctly, I had my first $997 day when I only had 800 subscribers. You can get that in a few months. You need the right viewers, not a massive number of viewers. If your video gets seen, even just by 200 people who are the right people for your product, and a few of them buy, let's say 10 buy a $97 product, that's almost $1,000 from a video that maybe 200 people watched. The numbers work even at a small scale. And as your channel grows, the numbers just keep getting better and better. Now let's talk about the product itself, because I know exactly what's going through your head right now. You're thinking, but I don't have anything to sell. I'm not an expert in anything. Who's gonna buy something from me? And I want to demolish this excuse right now, because it is the thing that keeps most people stuck more than anything else. You do not need to be the world's leading expert. You just need to be a few steps ahead of someone else. That's it. Think about when you learned to drive. When you first got behind the wheel, who was more useful to you? A Formula 1 race car driver, or someone who learned to drive 6 months before you did? The person who just learned, because they remember what it was like to not know. They can explain it in a way that actually connects with where you are right now. That's you. You have real experience, real lessons to share, real failures that someone else would pay to learn from, so they don't have to go through the same thing. Here's how you figure out what to sell. Think about something you figured out that others around you haven't. Think about a result you've gotten in fitness, in your career, in relationships, in money, in learning a skill, in building something. Think about the kind of people in your life already coming to you and asking for help. That thing, this is your product. Package it up. Put it in a format someone can consume and learn from. That is your digital product. And here's the other way to think about it. Go to YouTube right now and search for topics you know something about or that you have an interest in. Look at the comments on those videos. What are people asking? What are they frustrated about? What comes up often? What do they desperately need help that the video didn't explain? That gap between what people are asking for and what currently exists, that gap is your product idea. You're not guessing. The market is literally telling you what it wants. You just have to listen. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Okay, now let's put all of this together, because this is where the magic happens. The system is 3 simple steps, and it's that simple. Content, trust, sell. That's it. Let me walk you through how this actually works. You create YouTube videos around topics that your ideal customer is searching for. Not random videos, not whatever you feel like talking about that day. Intentional videos that answer the specific questions your buyer has. Every video you make is a conversation with a stranger who is about to become a customer. You're giving them value. You're showing them you know what you're talking about. You're building a relationship. And here's the best part. You're building that relationship with potentially thousands of people at the same time, all through one video. Now imagine if you post one video a day. And as people watch more of your content, they trust you more. They see you show up consistently day after day. They respect your work ethic. They hear your perspective. They feel like they actually know you. And when they trust you, the sale becomes natural. It doesn't feel like selling. It feels like a friend recommending something that actually helps. That's the transition from trust to sale. Now, when it comes to actually making the sale, you've got two main options, and which one you use depends on your price point. If your product is under $500, maybe it's a course, a template pack, a guide, you send people to a sales page. A clean, simple page that explains what the product is, who it's for, what they get, and how to buy it. No phone call needed. People land on it, they read it, they buy. The whole thing is automated. You make money even while you're not at your computer. But if your product is $1,000 or more, a coaching program, a high-ticket course, a done-with-you service, you want to use sales calls. And I know sales calls sound scary, but it's not what you think. It's just a conversation. Someone watches your videos, they trust you, they fill out a short form to book a call with you, you hop on a Zoom meeting with them for 35 minutes on average, you understand their situation, and if you can help, you explain to them how, and if it's a good fit, a lot of people will buy. One call can be worth $1,000, $2,000, $5,000, even more. And you got that client for free thanks to a YouTube video. That's the power of this system. So what does $10,000 a month actually look like in practice? It could be 100 people buying a $100 product. It could be 10 people buying a $1,000 coaching program from a single sales call. It could be 20 people buying a $500 course. As you can see, the math can work in different scenarios, but the engine driving all of it is the same. YouTube content, building trust. Trust driving people to your offer converting into cash. Content, trust, sell over and over again. Okay, so now you know the whole picture. And here's where I really need you to pay attention, because this is the part that actually matters. You can understand everything I just told you and still make $0 if you don't move. Information without action is worthless. So let me give you a real 30-day starting point. On the first week, you have one job. Figure out your product idea. Use the method I gave you. Think about what you know. Look at YouTube comments in your niche. Find the gap. Then decide on the format. Is it a short ebook, a course, a one-on-one coaching offer? Pick one and commit to it. Don't overthink it. Done is better than perfect. Your first product doesn't have to be your best product. It just has to exist. In week 2, you build it. I don't care if it takes you 5 hours or 40 hours, build the damn product. A course can be recorded with just your laptop with no fancy equipment. An ebook can be made for free in Google Docs. A coaching offer is just you on a Zoom call. You can have the free plan of Zoom. The barrier to entry is almost zero. There's no excuse good enough to justify not building the product. Build it. Now build a minimal version of it. That way, if nobody buys, you don't waste months of your life. In week 3, you create your first 3 YouTube videos. Not 10, not 50, 3. Pick 3 questions your ideal customer is searching for and make a video answering each one. Keep it simple. Talk directly to one person because that's who's watching, one person at a time. In those videos, you mention your product naturally. So as you can see, we're not hard selling. It's just you mention your products naturally. And in week 4, you optimize and you repeat. Look at which videos got the most views. Make more content like this. See if anyone clicked on your product link. Tweak the sales page if needed. Get on calls if your offer is high ticket. Ask for feedback. Keep going. The first month is not about making $1 million. It's about proving to yourself that this is real, that someone out there will pay you for what you know. And once you get that first sale, and you will get it if you actually do the work, something shifts in you. Because now it's not theoretical, now it's real. And you will never go back to thinking small again. Look, $10,000 a month is not a fantasy number. It's not reserved for lucky people or geniuses or people who were born in the right circumstances. It's an achievable, systematic outcome for any person who builds the right thing, uses the right platform, and stays consistent long enough for the machine to kick in. You've been working hard your whole life. Now it's time to make sure that hard work is actually building something for you. Stop carrying the buckets, build the pipe, and start today. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.